Hi everybody, just finished my workout. Happy Galentine's was the theme. As you can see, definitely earned my shower. We had a great workout. And I just want to say, I want to thank the Academy for this award. This is my award every day that I get to kiss and put on my desk and look at. And I got a lot of these. And look at my belt. Hello, Diana. This is my belt. This is my belt. Like if I was in the WWE, if I was a wrestler and I'm the champion. Every day we have these champion moments that we put into our life. Thank you, Sally. Because you know why? Your heart chakra is telling you things. If you got anxiety, tightness in your chest, and worry, and resentment, and guilt, and shame, and jealousy, you got to purge it out. You got to daily squeeze it out and release that. A lot of these women might be in their 40s or 50s, but they've got the emotional IQ of a kindergartner. They're easily triggered, they're easily jealous, they're easily miserable. I call it angry woman syndrome. And they walk around like they just ate some cat food, like this. You know what? I don't have time for those women. I never did and I never will. And they want to secretly talk bad in your ear about yourself. They want you not to believe in yourself because they want to make you feel bad for your excellence and bring you down here. Do you know what's on the bottom of the ocean? Sewage, parasites, little bottom feeders, bottom dwellers. I call those people bottom dwellers. They feed off of everything that just falls down to them and they just gobble it up because they are purposely down there. They want to be down there because they don't want to rise up. See, a VIP woman, we're like the whales of the ocean. We just spew everything out. We take what we want, leave what we don't, okay? Right now, I'm feeling so jolted and I wanted to say something about this. I'm not plugging this book, but I'm telling you what. Right here, we're going into chapter 2 and chapter 3. We're going deeper. When you stop living in misalignment, a lot of people have misaligned belief systems. That's why they're emotionally eating. That's why they were in relationships they don't even want to be in, lying to themselves, trying to make it work, trying to fix that other person. And that's why they're silently medicating themselves with mindless eating, with drinking, with gossiping, with going out, just to get their mind off of it when they're living the lie. I'm here to help you clean your heart chakra. Now I had some great tips. Where's my clipboard? Clipboard. Clipboard, please. Clipboard. I'm going to tell you about the clipboard right here. Clipboard. Yes. I'm very jolted right now. I got to tell you this. Now, when you finally are in alignment with your heart, you no longer want to drink, eat mindlessly, gossip. Those things are frivolous. They're actually toxic to you now. They're poisonous. You are actually drawn to healthy eating. You're drawn to people that want to help you and support you. And that's our VIP sisterhood. Listen to the heart song you sing. You're going to daily start having success breakthroughs. You're going to daily start seeing miracles. Okay? You're going to start having things respond to your heart song. Now, if you're singing a sad song, and woe is me, and pity, and guilt, and resentment, you're going to be bringing all that in. People, those bottom dwellers that are just sucking you dry. Look at the people around you. Are they sucking you dry? Do you constantly have to be running behind them to pepper rally them up and to cheer them up, but it's not even going anywhere? They have a black, closed heart chakra, and it's not your job. You got to keep on trucking. It's been fun, but I got to run. Keep it moving. You can't save the world. That's why maybe you're not years ahead in your own personal progress. Maybe that's why you've been over here playing kindergartner teacher to a bunch of grown women and they can't get their emotional states in check. Am I touching somebody? Thank you, Angela. Hey, thank you. So right now, you got to get real with yourself. You got your future self to take care of. Let me get real with you. Fast forward 10, 20 years. You see how time is the biggest liar? Look at your age. Can you believe you're that age? Right now, 10, 20 years in the future, when you're old and gray and you're hunchback, who's going to be taking care of you? Not your fake friend, not her, not even him. You are going to be taking care of yourself. That's why I'm here to give you that emotional kick in the butt so you can be the best mother, the best businesswoman, and the best friend to yourself. Self-care is not being about selfish. It's about being self-loving and self-respect. Today on our private jolt, we're going to be marrying ourselves to our goals, recommitting ourselves to our goals, and we're going to actually be doing marriage vows. So get ready. It's going to be awesome. We're doing the book club, and I'm going to be giving away the spiralizer and the yoga mat for our sisters' teamwork. In closing, I went back inside our private group and I looked at all the comments that you guys posted, and I'm in awe. I'm like, thank you, God. When you believe, ask, and you receive, miracles happen. This group is Miracle Emotion. you're a miracle in motion, whether you see it or not, okay? I'm here to tell you, my third eye is so wide open, and my mouth is open too, and it's flowing out. So, and I go over there, I see all these spiritual healers, they're gonna charge you $400 for 30 minutes. I'm out here spewing it for free, because that's how much I believe in it. I got nothing to gain but to give, okay? And it's not even about paying my light bill, it's about giving to receive, all right? You can't keep it unless you give it away. $25 a month to get more of this private one-on-one. Let's do this, guys. Join jnlvip.com. I'm not asking 400, 300, 200, not even 100, not even 50, not even $30 at your local gym over there where you got to train around a bunch of broken people. They're broken financially, and they're broken mentally and physically and spiritually. Right now, get it all together at jnlvip.com. Happy Valentine's. Let's do this. I'll see you guys at 1:15 for our private jolts. Let's do this. Bye, guys. Woo!